हाल ही में खड़े हो गई थी when you said a lot of TV actors को काम नहीं मिल रहा है because उनकी social media following इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
Oh, right, yeah.
And you stood up for that. आप openly आए. कहीं आपको लगता है कि अगर निया शर्मा का Instagram account खुदा ना खास्ता gets deleted, would she ever get that kind of work?
Yes. Because मेरे लिए वो problem है ही नहीं. I have that following because of the shows that I've done. I'm still adored and loved for the character I played in 1000 में मेरी बहना है, not for the Niya Sharma that I am today. People hate me for how I look or how I carry myself. I know Niya is being hated to another level and it's alright. But I'm loved for Roshni, Jamai Raja. I am loved for Manvi that I played in 1000 में. So I know our Indian audience are very accustomed to seeing us in those little nice Punjabi suits, nice Indian wear, and a girl should be the bahu of the house, and this is what attracts them, and I respect that. But coming back to Instagram, अगर मेरा कल delete हो गया, I don't think मेरे काम पे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा because वो Instagram बाद में आया है, मेरा काम मुझे पहले मिल गया है, and that's how I have that kind of following. Today, Instagram is more like a business to us, and we are all making money out of it. But my point was, it was Molly Ganguly's article which I read, and it itched me and it pinched me. That people beyond 40, 45, they are actors. They are not here to impress you with those reels. They're not supposed to. You know, you can't compare apples and oranges, right? Molly Ganguly and Achint Kaur, Varun Badola. You take the senior actors of our industry, they are bang on. We can never reach their level of acting. You don't judge them by their social media following. And it just hit me so hard. I said, yaar, आज इनको ये article देने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, that, and it mostly happens for web, not for TV. TV वाले बहुत sweet हैं. They just call you. They said, क्योंकि इतने shows बन रहे हैं, they need actors every day. Yeah, but that was my point. I mean, for senior actors especially, senior क्या मतलब, I will also be 40, but I don't look forward to not having work, and then मैं 40 साल की उम्र में अपने आप को prove करने नहीं बैठूंगी. That should be the time when I'm living my life on a yacht with martini in my hand.
And I hope I'm next to you that time and enjoying the yacht and the martini too, यार. मेरे साथ रहेगी ना, हम लोग सब पार्टी करेंगे यार. But you know what? एक और चीज है, which requires goddamn guts.
Yeah.
आपने कहा कि यार मेरे फैंस मुझे प्लीज मत इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड्स के लिए नॉमिनेट करो, प्लीज डोंट डू इट. यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन. बाकी सब इंस्टाग्राम में डालते हैं, अरे वोट फॉर मी, मुझे इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीतना है, एंड यू सेड मुझे वोट मत करो.
आई एम सो ग्लैड यू ब्रॉट दिस टॉपिक. नाउ दोज इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड्स आर हैपनिंग विद इन द पेरिफेरी ऑफ मुंबई. वो खुद कभी, आई डोंट थिंक वो बाहर किसी ने जाके देखा भी होगा. सो व्हेन यू से इंटरनेशनल, दैट इट मीन्स इंटरनेशनल. इट डजंट मीन विद इन इंडिया और विद इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ अ टीवी इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे और कोई अलाउड भी नहीं है. सो टुडे, नॉट जस्ट कॉलिंग आउट दोज इंटरनेशनल एंड आइकॉनिक, लुक एट दीज वर्ड्स, दे आर हैवी वर्ड्स. Priyanka Chopra gave her entire life to be called an international icon. Not everybody is going to be that. I'm not saying you don't reach there, but reach there. You don't get an international iconic award in some Mumbai ka hotel, right? And you haven't gone out, done a single project outside Mumbai, outside TV, forget everything else. Look at yourself, look yourself in the mirror, and then tell me, are you the award, the bogus award that you're holding in your hand and putting in your Instagram? I want to thank my mommy, daddy, and my dog for where I've reached. Ask yourself, with all due respect, let's get real here, yaar. We all need to get real. We cannot keep doing things just so that we could put it on Instagram. So sad.
My God, actually that is an eye opener.
और मैं सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. ये सेम अवार्ड फंक्शन ने मेरे को 2 साल पहले, 3 साल पहले भी अप्रोच किया था, एंड दे सेड, निया, वी वांट टू गिव यू एन इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल आइकॉन. आई सेड, मैं नेशनल नहीं बनी, मैं इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल आइकॉन कब बन गई? आई हम्बली जस्ट टर्न्ड इट डाउन, एंड दे आर नॉन टेलीवाइज्ड इवेंट्स. उनकी ऑथेंटिसिटी क्या है, आई वांट टू नो टुडे. सो नॉट दैट आई हैवंट एक्सेप्टेड अवार्ड्स. आई वेंट टू दिस HT, but HT awards are different awards, they're catering to the entire industry, Bollywood, this, that. So let's see what is the baggage of that award function first. And lately, okay, I also learned this with time. And today I feel it's okay to leave those awards that have no value and go on. It's not going to change me, or I'm still going to look stylish without holding a stylish ka award in my hand.
ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है, you walked into an award show और आपने कहा यार ये अवार्ड मेरा ही है, एंड देन सडनली एक एंटी क्लाइमैक्स हो जाता है और निया को अवार्ड नहीं मिला है?
नहीं, ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ. नेवर.
बोल देते पहले कि अवार्ड मिलने वाला है.
नहीं, कभी नहीं बोला. आई स्वेयर आई हैव नेवर बीन टू एन अवार्ड फंक्शन जहाँ मुझे मिले ही इतने कम हैं. द लास्ट टाइम द बिगेस्ट वन वाज आई हैड वन वो इंडियन अकेडमी ITA 2015 जब जमाई चल रहा था, they gave me most popular face. It was so sweet. It was, you know, और अपने TV इंडस्ट्री के they are reputed awards यार. So you know, जब वो televised हैं, they are reputed, they are TV ones. But ये iconic international कहाँ से आए हैं और इनका क्या वजूद है और क्यों सब इतने खुश हो रहे हैं? अगर एक TV पे शो चल रहा है ना सिड, अगर उसमें 25 लोगों की कास्ट है, 25 के 25 वो अवार्ड लेके खड़े हैं. How real is that यार? I'm sorry, मारना मत, but this is the reality.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है जब निया जो टेलीविजन की सुपरस्टार है, डिजिटल स्टार है, एक बॉलीवुड ऑफिस में एंटर करी है?
मैंने कभी नहीं किया.
क्यों नहीं?
Never have I gone to an Bollywood office. I didn't.
Why?
पता नहीं, I don't know. I think एक बार गई थी. So
Fear of probably it not working out था इसलिए?
Yeah. I am not here now to Sid, I have made the kind of money that I never thought I would. I am living a dream life almost because I never had dreams. So whatever today I have and I've achieved, and trust me man, it's such a kick-ass life, right? I cannot be a Ranbir Kapoor or you know, I have not been born into those family of riches or whatever or this, and I realized that I didn't want to make that effort क्योंकि मुझे कभी time ही नहीं मिला. I've always have been engrossed with work or anything, and also that very fear that I walk into an office, the first thing I'll hear आप TV से हो, आप
ये सुना है कि सुनना नहीं चाहती?
I don't want to hear all of this.
And you've heard it before?
Of course. सब यही तो बोलते हैं यार, और क्या है मतलब.
Have you met a big Bollywood producer or director who said this to you also?
No, but I met once for एक मूवी में मणिकर्णिका के लिए एक मीटिंग थी जिसमें रोल भी मतलब इतना सा रोल के लिए, and it was stupid conversation, stupid, and I didn't go again man. मतलब it was कुछ फायदा नहीं था उस कॉन्वर्सेशन का. It was a wastage of time, and then it was, oh, you look so hot, you're there. No, seriously, they talk about you. Somebody has the audacity to tell me that I'm not ready for Bollywood, and when you see a Bollywood star kid's face, are they ready? Have they seen them? I'm sorry, but please don't tell me I am not ready or I look a certain way or I have to shape up. Or please, we are all seeing who those people are. Good for them. They are working clearly. They are having big movies. But you take the name aside. Will you look at them twice? I'm sorry. It's the reality, and fair. They're doing very well. Good for them.
तुम हमेशा अपनी गलतियों के बारे में भी you've come out in the open.
Yes.
You are one girl who says sorry when it's required. You don't accept it when it's not right. अगर मैं बोलूँ तुम्हारे लाइफ में तुम्हारी 3 गलतियाँ जो कभी कभार तुम्हारे माइंड में आती हैं, तुम कहते हो यार ये मैंने क्यों किया? What was that?
I think sometimes when my makeup experiments go terribly wrong and they come out in the media and I say, why? What was I thinking? I think I will accept those mistakes. Then I called out an actor on Twitter. I thought it was the most savage thing I had done, but my own family told me, that was too arrogant of you and it wasn't required. That's when I apologized on the same platform. I shouldn't have done that. It was so wrong of me. Wrong.
You were feeling bad that आपने apologize किया या फिर आपने वो savage comment मारा actor पर?
हाँ, मुझे जब मैंने वो comment मारा मुझे लगा वो savage था, but through the day, the entire day, when your own family sits you down and tells you that no, here you were wrong, तो वो गलत तो नहीं थे, अब फिर accept कर लेना चाहिए. And I realized कि I went personal, and it was crass of me. I shouldn't have done that. No.
And this is what she is. मैं उस रात का नाम 2 घूंट नहीं चाहिए इनके साथ बात करने के लिए. You just enjoy this lady. जो है वो है. Love you, Baba.
Thank you. That is so sweet, Siddharth. Thank you.